saw that. But you must be careful because rugby is a dangerous sport and you can get injured. Are you strong enough to play rugby?
Yes.
Show me your muscles. Wow, those are strong muscles. Now show me you kick the ball. Let me see you kick the ball like rugby. Oh, good kick. And I want to see you pass the ball. Stand up, pass the ball like a scrum half.
Okay. I can throw, pass it, I look. Watch.
No, that's the line out. Okay, pass it like a scrum half.
Scrum off. Scrum off. Scrum off.
Come back, come back.
No.
Okay, throw. Oh, good throw. Now you catch. Okay, drop kick. Good kick. That was a grabber. Okay, time to scrum. Time to scrum. Get in your scrum position.
Get in the scrum position. I'm gonna put the ball into the line out.
How are you? Who's your favourite rugby team? No, who's your favourite rugby team?
Daddy.
The Sharks.
No, Daddy.
The Sharks or the Springboks?
The Springboks.
You like the Springboks?
Daddy.
And who's your favourite rugby player? Who's your favourite rugby player?
Daddy, let's do access. Let's put your finger on here. Okay.
Okay.
Let's put your finger on here.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hmm?
Bye-bye.
Hmm? I want to say bye-bye.
I'm going to put the video off.